Ayan yan. Mukhang okay na ulit.
So, wala pa.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Doctor calls me a little angel, but I can't fly.
Ay, nakuha. Kamote.
Stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems. Gikigata, the strings of my puppet got tangled up. Can you help me with that? Huh.
Enemy missing.
Nandyan ako ulit ah.
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Initiate retreat!
Ha! I can do
Andito
all
ah.
the
Andito rin
chores.
yung ano ah.
Nakita ko ano, Mark.
Cooking.
Alucard.
Initiate retreat!
Ayun, no?
Tumalon na nga eh. Kaso yun lang.
Ito natin.
Mahirapan tayo ah.
Stay in a good mood.
Wala na,
Every
bigay na
day.
yung turtle.
Attack the turtle!
Hindi ka pa nga level 4. Level gap ka eh.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Solo kill! Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain!
It's my job to help people.
Initiate retreat!
Huh. Keep on smiling. It's important.
Request backup! Enemy missing.
Dito si Alucard. Dapat si ano ah.
Careful.
Back.
Initiate retreat!
Diyan si Alucard ah.
An enemy has been slain!
Sige.
An enemy has been slain!
Papi, boy.
Double kill!
Nice one.
Ally has been slain.
Ayun ito.
Pipa.
Launch attack! Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain! Initiate retreat!
Papi, boy.
Ah, di mabot.
Initiate retreat! Building cooldown.
Stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems. Keep on smiling. It's important.
Hindi umaalis sa medyong ano natin ah.
Doctor
Si
calls me
Lina.
his little angel, but
Attack the
I
turtle.
can't fly.
Andito ah.
Papi, papi, boy.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Sunod, sunod, sunod.
Mega kill.
Ano
Initiate
ginagawa mo?
retreat.
Heal mo na kita.
Abracadabra.
Hindi maabot.
Keep smiling.
Pa ako na lang. Ah shit, nakaano pa.
Papi, papi,
Ano?
boy.
Solo kill. Initiate retreat.
I
Sige.
can do all the chores. Except cooking.
Push bird. Your team destroyed a turret.
Pika, pika.
Launch attack.
Kikikaka. The strings of my puppet got tangled up. Can you help me with that?
Initiate retreat. Skill to pull down.
Pika, pika.
Out control. An enemy has been slain.
Papi, papi, boy.
Slain an enemy. Unstoppable. Launch attack. Push bird. Our turret has been destroyed.
Stay in a good mood
Hindi pa
every day.
Our turret is under
Papi,
attack.
papi, boy.
Ba't ka nag-back? Yun lang.
Killing spree.
DK dapat yun eh.
It's my job to help people.
Shut down.
Yun lang.
Your team destroyed
Hindi ko
the
nakita.
turret.
Wala kasi ito nga sinani, kaya nahabol ko eh. Alam ko wala siyang ano.
Papi, papi, boy.
An enemy has been slain.
Ah, tatlo pala yun.
An ally has slain
Nice
the
one.
turtle.
Pika, pika.
Skill to pull down.
Di natin ma-push yung mid ah. Push natin mid.
Push first.
Maka ano na
I
tayo.
can do all the chores. Except cooking. Papi, papi, boy.
Ally has initiated retreat. Mega kill.
Nice one.
Slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain.
Papi,
Ganyan,
papi,
push mo yan,
boy.
push mo yan.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Nice.
Team destroyed a turret.
Move up. Ah,
Good
meron na
game.
pa. Shit, ang sakit.
Spree.
Hindi ako nag-iwan.
Papi, papi, boy.
Click sa baba.
Na nakasanib ako.
Initiate retreat.
Yun yan sa Alucard ah. Uy, uy, ito. Ito nga.
Initiate retreat.
Second.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Build and cooldown. Been slain.
Keep on smiling.
Initiate retreat.
Papi, papi, boy.
Mayroon lang umatras.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed the turret. Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Papi, papi, boy.
Maglo-lord ata.
Pika, pika.
Has been slain.
Ayun na, naglo-lord na. Mamatay ako dito.
Slain. Initiate retreat.
Papi, papi, boy.
Buti na lang, di ako nakita.
Initiate retreat.
Kumunik ka. Nice one.
Abracadabra.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree. Initiate
Back, back, back. Hindi, may sanib na ako ulit. May sanib na ako ulit, ah.
Stop
Oops.
staring at me. Watch out for next problems. Papi, papi, boy. Pika, pika.
Sige, hindi mo na ako mag-heal. Basagin mo lang yun. Yan, yan, yan.
the turret.
15 seconds. 15 seconds yung ano. Sanib.
Your team destroyed a turret.
2 seconds.
Mega kill.
Papi, papi, boy.
Superb control. Double kill.
Basag na.
Team destroyed a turret. Triple kill.
Napos ko na.
Victory.
Uy, nakachamba. Wala pala akong kill. Wala pala akong get nun.
Wala pa lang good yun.
Kaya
Wala
pala.
pa lang good.
Akala ko madededs ako kanina eh. Nasa gitna ako ng Lord eh. Kasi buti hindi ako napansin nung ano, nung tank.
Fight pa ba?
Wala na akong flicker eh.
Kauna rin yung tora natin. Kaya ano, pangulat.
Tsaka wala silang MM. Para sa ang ano nila eh. Pag parsa dapat mauuna ka, no? Hindi ka rin naman naunahan ng parsa.
Ano? Pwede.
Your team is banning.
Uy. Naging mid ako. Wala ko. Saan na yun? Palit kami. So,
Please ban a hero.
ay, binan na pala Angela. Ayan mo na.
The enemy is picking. Your team is picking. Hana, Sanjo.
Test. Alpha is
The
online.
enemy is picking.
As fleeting as a snowflake's breath, as timeless as a glacier's heart.
Naban pala yung Angela. Siguro kalaro natin to last time.
I am a daughter of Northern Vale.
Please
I
pick a
swear to
hero.
protect it till my last breath.
Johe.
Crowned by heaven's
Johe o
mandate,
Franco?
my legacy shall endure.
Naunahin ko na to.
I am the veil between
The
dreams
enemy is
and
picking.
nightmares.
Lupit mong costume nun ah. May tank na tayo. Damage na lang, no? Johead na lang.
Kill all at once.
Oo, para may mapaskill tayo. Saber. Saber carry burst.
First rule around here,
of the abyss.
break all the
Slayer
rules.
of gods.
It's my job to protect Huckleberry.
Ay mo na kay Frankie. Frankie.
Okay yun, pwede mapaskill si ano. Sino bang ano nila? Saber ang ano nila, no? Saber core.
Pwede ring play eh. Pwede mag-group ni Saber. Pwede ring core. Kasi pwedeng side. Pwedeng side o kaya core din. Saber core.
Na Saber ang ano. Saber core nga. Walang pantakas yung ano, MM. Oh, wala sa kanila yung naka-flicker.
Uy, barrier lang pala.
Barrier. So wala akong sanib ba?
Ginising na ni Mama Helen. Ewan ko, tumayo na. 5 daw si Pei gisingin. 5. Si Pei. Five.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Sino ba yung ano? Ayan,
All
tutuloy to
troops deployed.
dito.
Request backup!
Mag-ano to, mang...
Oh, dapat dito, oh. Mga late na
Kaya
yata
nga,
ito,
eh.
mag-ano. Pag mga ganyan, mga late, ano na yun, late bloomer.
Wala na.
Lusog na doon.
Kaya nga. Ang matras. Oh. Ba, matras ka kagad eh. Oh, sabay kinuha yun na ano.
Where's my mommy and daddy?
Ba't nag-start yung kalaban?
Wala, hindi pumunta yung ano, hindi pumunta yung core eh. Punta ako dyan ah.
Launch attack! An enemy has been slain.
Nice one. Kunin mo na to.
Initiate retreat!
Nakuha ko. Ayun lang, tinatlo pala si Angela sa baba. Si ano, si Alice.
Launch attack! Okay!
Ano makapag ano? Turtle?
Tara, turtle.
Launch attack!
malas.
Initiate retreat.
Malayo pa ako dyan, Nice one.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Kunin ko nga ito na maka-level 4 na.
Ako ba natin ito?
Initiate
Hindi,
not ready.
nakuha nung kalaban. Oh, nung ginagawa nun, hindi pinansin si Glow.
Yan, tangino. Wait. Hindi lang.
Killing spree.
Kinatakot doon. Pwede mo buhay pa yun
Hindi ko nga alam paano naging yellow yun eh. SS niya ba yun? Ayun lang. Hindi ko nakita. Nag-SS na yung Saber 4, 3, 2, 1. Nandyan na si Blue
Initiate retreat.
Ayun lang. Trust, ay ko sa akin konti. Layo ka sa akin konti.
Launch attack.
Ayan.
Ayun
Okay.
lang.
Buhay pa.
Attack the turtle.
Hindi nakaskill yung mage eh. Hindi ko alam kung ba't di siya nag-skill eh. Tumama naman lahat ng skill ko eh.
Turtle.
Wait lang, nandito
Ito
yung
na naman ginagawa mo dyan. Hindi yung form.
Gather up the turtle.
Wala nang mage siya, wala nang XP Tagal naman.
Bato.
Mega kill. Skills in cooldown.
Wait lang, 7.
Ult is not ready.
Can
Initiate.
Ayan, pwede na, pakita ka. Ayun yung kulit.
Yun,
Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Paano din yung okay, okay.
Eight.
Launch attack.
I'll be all that guys.
Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Yun lang. Nangyari sa core natin. Okay lang.
Our
First time pa
turret
lang.
has been destroyed.
strong for
Ilang
you?
beses pa lang na-kill.
Huh? Why are there so many bad guys?
Wala saber
Initiate retreat.
Bakit di pumunta yung saber?
Turtle. Where are you guys?
Attack the Lord.
Bakit yung testo?
Request backup.
Tapos nga sob, dito sa atin. Ay, hindi, tayo na.
Ang kulit naman ito.
Okay,
Ayaw mag-turtle Hindi na nga nagpapakita yung saber
Nugget.
Ay! Yun lang. Ayun na. Nahuli. Nice one.
Sa likod, Saber.
Yun lang. Wag na. Back na.
Initiate retreat. Turret is under attack.
O yung baba.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready. Slain. Initiate retreat.
Hindi ko kaya.
Ano nang damage yan? Total, pauna ka na eh. Para
Wala,
lahat
wala.
one hit.
CD yung ano ko. CD yung SS ko. Tsaka yung second skill ko.
Ano next mo dyan?
Is
Fleeting
Jawhead
time.
too strong for you?
Para cooldown lang ng cooldown. Hindi mo nagiging yellow siya. Yun lang.
Parang kailangan na mabubuhay. Mag-yellow. So next time, hindi na siya mag-yellow.
Oo nga, may cooldown pala yun, no? Yun yung passive niya pala. Yun lang.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Oh, sama mo ako ha. Susugurin ko to ha.
Our turret is
Nice one. Problema yung glue. Pero kailangan mauna yung ano, paunahin lang natin si Alice mamaya.
attack the Lord.
Shit.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Di pa lubos.
Launch attack.
Nice one.
Lord.
Is Jawhead too strong for you?
Nang tinatamaan yung SS natin.
Dito.
Center is under. Here we go.
Launch attack.
Yung Alice binubugbog.
Launch attack.
Nice one. Lord.
Slain an enemy. An enemy has
Aray ko.
been slain.
Pati ganun, di pala ako pwede mag-skill kapag nadikitan ako nun.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret.
Nice one.
Initiate retreat. Push first.
Malayo ako dyan ha.
Initiate retreat.
Why is it going that side?
Request back.
Can Jawhead get hurt?
Sige.
Launch attack.
Ulit meron sa likod ha. Okay, patay na yung MM ha. Nice one. Nandiyan yung Saber, papunta sa'yo.
Double kill. Turret is under attack. Triple kill.
Nice one.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Hindi, push natin to. Nandiyan, bahala na si sa sa mid.
Launch attack.
Nice one. Push. Lock tower na. Nice one.
Victory.
Oh, ikaw MVP. Ikaw yun, naka-triple kill ka.
Humble ba ako?
Ah, yun, tama. 10-3-6 ka, oh. Beleric.
Pag-save.
Please ban a hero.
Bakit ram ako?
Palit tayo.
ako?
Ang dali, ah. Mid ka na lang. Palit tayo. Hindi ko alam. Di ko naayos yung sa akin. Naka-roam mid ako.
Your team is banning.
Pahig nga siya. Ayaw niya.
Swap muna tayo. Hindi, may nakikipag-swap sa akin sa XP. Ewan ko kung papayag.
Sige, pwede. Pag pumayag siya.
Ayan, tapos palit mo yung XP. Makipagpalit ka sa XP.
The enemy is picking.
Ayan, may pagpalit ka dun sa Manjiro. Nakikipag-swap yan ng mid. Yun na yung trip niya. Ayan.
Ayun. So,
Hope will find a way, even
Your
when all
team
is
is
forlorn.
Uy, naban ba Angela? Hindi naman ah.
Come and join me in my
The enemy
dream
is
world.
picking.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Mage. Kaya pala, isin pala natin yan mamaya.
There's nowhere for the evil to hide.
Please pick a hero.
Show first na ako. Nakarapaela naman na eh. Pero sa bagay, nag-pick na rin ng MM eh. Angela na ako.
My pleasure.
Love and hope are
The
the two
enemy is
greatest
picking.
inventions.
I'm bound.
Let's hear from the crowd.
Be it family
Make some
or
noise
Your
for
team
yours
is
truly.
Pain is the proof that I'm still alive.
Rafaela, Bexano, CC. Wala rin flicker tong mga to ha. Mia, wala rin ha.
So, ano, no? Takbuhan din eh. Yung takbuhan din.
Takbuhan nga
Pang-marathon
lang.
din.
Pang marathon nga lang. Si Rafaela pala yung naka-flicker.
Pang-marathon din.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Sinong core nila? Abuso, nako.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Delicates.
battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed. Request backup.
I can do all the chores. Except
Kaya sila.
cooking.
Hindi nag-start dito ah.
Wala dito ha. Baka sa blue buff.
Doctor calls me his little angel, but
Lubop yata
I
nag-start.
can't fly.
Wala oh.
Anong susundan nito? Wala pa rin dito ha.
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Baka papunta pa lang yung dito. Kung nag-start yun ng ano ah. Ng green. Baka nag-start yun ng green. Kaya wala pa dito. Patay si Lunok.
Stop staring at me. First, watch out for next.
Ayan na, nag-invade sa blue. Papunta sa'yo ha.
Sorry.
Okay, and
Nice one.
Ally has been slain.
Ay,
Well played.
Let me clear the wave.
stay cheerful every day.
Nagre-read si ano ah.
Keep on smiling. It's important. Beep up, beep up. Ha! Ha! Beep up, beep up.
Slain an enemy.
ayaw sumugod nito ni MM. Binibigay ko na nga yung kill.
Beep up.
Request
My
backup.
puppet got tangled up. Can you
Okay.
help me with
Has
that?
been slain. An ally has been slain.
Wala na, hindi natin makukuha yan.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Ako naabot sa butang ka pa.
Okay, ang sakit naman nun. Na normal attack lang yun.
Angel.
Na ano ka eh, yung... Ano-anong sandatan na.
Pag tumama ba yun, mas masakit?
Oh. Ganun.
Hindi ko alam. Sige lang. Pababa.
It's my job to help people. Huh.
Papunta ata sa baba. Sa'yo.
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Ayun lang. Dalawa.
My daddy.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Happy, happy,
Save. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Enemy rampage. Killing spree.
Nice one.
Wah.
Nabawi nakabawi.
Paldo pala yung ano natin doon.
Pisa, pisa!
Ha? Uy, 30 stacks. Nice one.
Message ka na ah.
Oo.
Enemy missing.
Well, 15 seconds pa. Sumani ba ako kay Brody? At least naka 3 stacks siya. 5 seconds. Pwede mo nang anuhin yan.
Wag to gusto ko si Gusion eh.
Stay cheerful every day.
Andyan ata sa gitna eh. Na.
Papi, papi, boy!
Mega kill. An enemy has been slain.
Yeah. Di pa nila alam yun to eh.
Hero resurrected.
Shut down.
Gather up
Nice
the
one.
turtles.
Pwede tayo mag-turtle. Hindi, pwede. Push na
Ibaba ka
tayo.
na.
Makikibubog muna ako.
Cooking.
Kaya nila yan. Walang core eh.
Ally has slain the
Nice
turret.
one. Sabi na natin.
You destroyed a turret.
Kaya ba?
Papi,
Yan,
papi,
salin mo na kay MM.
Kikikata. The strings to my puppet goes time to go. Can you help me with that?
Yun lang. Nandun na pala si Gusion. Naku, kita din. Nice one. 30 stacks din yung Gusion ha.
And a green.
40 stacks na.
Hero resurrected.
Pipa, pipa.
Turret has been destroyed. Initiate
Uy, lumuwi.
Ay, sayang.
under attack.
Ay, sayang.
Mabuhay pa si Pedro ako sa Mogod eh.
3 seconds.
Stop staring at Papi, papi, boy.
Ay, wala eh.
Under attack.
Sayang yung chain. Naghang ka ba? Oo, naghang ka.
DT.
Doctor calls me his
Hindi
little
ako.
angel.
Okay.
But
Patay sana yung ano. Back sana. Oh, back na. Mawawala na yung sanib ko. Oh, shit.
Ay, nilaglag ka?
Nalaglag na ako.
calls me angel.
Kasi nawala na. Tablay ah.
Wag, sinunood lang to.
Kaya nga eh.
It's my Papi, papi, boy.
Great save.
Tara. Abulin mo yan.
Totoo.
Ah, shit. Iba yun na. Ano.
Killing spree. Destroyed a turret.
Wala na. Ah, pwede na ulit.
Order mo na anak mo.
Hero resurrected.
Doctor calls me his little angel. But
Order mo na anak mo. Order mo.
Ally has led attack.
pipa, pipa.
Mega kill.
Sige. Kaya pa. Back.
An enemy has been slain.
Hindi ako. Nabibisi ako, Sam.
An enemy has been
Yun lang.
Sa DDC. Yun lang yan.
Habol, brody. Yun lang.
been slain. Launch attack.
Yun lang po. Ayun yan kay Brody.
Has been slain.
Nice one.
Order mo na anak mo.
Request backup.
Nagawa nito ni ano. Core natin.
Yes.
Papi, boy.
Yeah, pagka mo na yan.
Abracadabra.
Yeah, may slow na ako.
Island.
Nakakamin pa ko eh. Oh, pawala na. Back. Back muna.
Eh, back.
5 seconds lang.
Launch attack.
Pwede na ulit.
Kikikata. The strings to my puppet goes time to go. Can you help me with that?
Yan ah.
Papi, papi, boy.
Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo kulit?
DDC ako, Sob. Na-DDC nga ako.
Yun lang, oo nga, nag-left the match ka bigla. Sige, ano yung mamuna?
Iba na yung binubit na ito.
Tumitigil ka sa gitna. Nasa harapan ka ng ano, ng Lord.
Every day.
Ako po,
May buhay na ako dyan.
13 seconds pa sa akin ko ha.
Paano?
Wait lang, 5 seconds pa.
Ally has slain killing spree.
2, 1.
Papi, papi, boy.
Alam mo, nag-iba yung item na binubuo.
I can do all these chores.
Hero resurrected.
Cooking.
Up, mawawala na, mawawala na.
Diba?
Your team
Wait lang.
destroyed a turret.
5 seconds.
Mega kill.
Superb tanking.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Solo
Team
push.
destroyed a turret.
Nice one.
Unstoppable.
10 seconds.
Ito na dyan. Ito ang balis na ito. Buti, pinapangin ko na nga ako. Kaya pa ang balis eh.
Papi, papi, boy.
Wala ka nang gagawin, Vision.
Pag wala ka na pala.
Oo, hindi, na 1 second pa eh.
Bali eh, no? Tapos ko na kaya, no?
Top, lock na.
Ano? Lock tower.
Yan,
Yung mga daw. Bakit eh?
Watch out
Baka
for neck problems.
bakit mo? Bakit mo?
yun lang, 15 seconds. Ayoko na.
Ayun lang, tapos na itong out na?
Hindi, gabi ko ayoko na makipag ano, masasanib ulit. Yung lock tower ko na.
Yun. Wait lang, Sob. Order na muna ako.
Sige, sige.
Love and hope.
150 and drink of